Purpose namin is for education. Kabalo naman ako good, I'm an educator. Teacher ko So nakita na ako na murag sa akong term, wala pa na ako na-engage ang atong mga SK. So what better time is karon samtang kuan pa ta na ang end na to, June 30 pa man. So there's still plenty of time to catch up. That's why meron tayong ganitong program to teach them the processes kasi sometimes mag-widow-widow tayo even ako I experienced that bago pa kung akonsihal, widow-widow lang yan naman dahil mga rules na in place na, so much better kung ma-lecture para at least ma-adapt nila, magamit nila or they can improve the rules as to how they conduct their own sessions and meetings sa ilang offices.
So throughout the seminar, about policy making lang ang
yes, yun yung thrust talaga kasi they are SK, they are young, but they are public officials. They are government officials. So hopefully they learn something from this. So later on they can pass it on to the next SK people that will come in. Pasa-pasa na lang, at least may nasimulan sila.
Napay ka na experience, Vice, na ang atong mga SK leaders kay maglisod sila, for example, sa sa plenary, pag-lead sa session?
Kaya na in my term now, I always request some councilors to try sitting as the presiding officer para makita nila. Kasi lahat magutong mulingkod ka then you listen. Why not try it out with ikaw? Para in the future, who knows, you might be in the same position, at least nakaka-experience. And I'm sure sa SK, like in all other offices, even the barangay, siguro there are some pa rin gray areas that they cannot really agree on. So much better natagan akong training para at least when they do sessions, they do meetings, they know what to do or they can decide how to do it na. Alam nila pa paano ang process.
Bakit po na-come up natin na digitalize yung book?
Well, to be frank, we run out of the hard copies. We have a few na lang that they cannot cater to all the SK. Kasi initially we intended to provide only one copy for all the barangays. So that's 182. Kaya alam naman ngayon, medyo modern na ngayon. Most of the books now, even in schools, it's e-books na online. So, this is good. They can appreciate e-books. So, sabi ko, e-book na lang natin rather than getting a hard copy. Kasi e-book, all the council can get a copy, not just the chairman.
And kumusta po ito? For example, sa mga councilors, which I think una silang naka-access kesa sa mga nasa SK.
Sa councilor? Kung nabasa na nila. Pero kung may copy sila, from time to time, pwede mo i-scan.
But for SK po, ano ang murag ato ang expectation natin since digitalized na ang copy?
Well, we try to go with the times, everything's digitalized. Sa session niya, we're less paper. Not paperless yet, it's less paper. So this is one way of also related to the implementation of less paper. And I think it's the younger generation who can really appreciate that. Ako, honestly, naglisod pa ako sa digital, Ambot na malipong pa ko, mag-aanaw. Scan ko na yung pagkitaon, pagkahuman, vertigo ko, pero ayaw lang tayo suti. Wala lang. Lahig yun ang modern na. So we have to adapt to that. Hindi man pwede forever na lang kung anong nakasanayan. That's it. We have to adapt.
So pwede siya ma-update? Pwede siya ma-update if kailangan niya na-update?
Yes. Pag there are new issuances, I just hope they don't amend the local government code. Otherwise you will rewrite everything. Siguro kung may issuances on the ILG, it's best that be incorporated.
Sir, ang participants natin ngayon from District 1 lang, and will there be another set of training for the
other districts? Yes, it's in the works now. Of course, we will cater to all the three districts. Sabi ko na, but we don't have the facilities. Ito lang the biggest place that we can use Sangguniang is this one. So one at a time lang muna kasi marami rin masyado. yung attention magulo na. Mas maganda yung konti-konti. So the best way to do that is per district.
But after this policy making man ito ngayon, sir, ano ang next na parang topic?
After this, then we'll see how what benefits they get from it. Then we move on to the second, to the third. Then if there's still time, balikan natin just to check if how did the lecture affect your performance in your work. If it's good, then we think of another some similar.
At least sa lecture ang corruption.
Wala. Mga policy making.
Policy making.
Yung corruption, that's a good topic for the next time, no? If there is another symposium like this. Pero, hopefully naman, they are young, but they are not minor. So, they will have the discretion to know what is wrong, what is right. We all know naman, corruption.
So, dili po relate, sir. Kasi di ba pagka makaupo ang isang SK official, meron siyang orientation from, I think, DILG. But this is another round. So, dili pa ni late or reiteration lang niya siya sa...
Okay, I do not know sa DILG what topics they discuss. Pero this one is actual. The things that we do as legislators in the city council, that's what they will be taught here. Kaya nga yung speaker natin is the assistant secretary at paano sila mag-document, how they make resolutions, resolutions, they make letters, all of these things, ma-train sila to do it properly. Although I know they know how to do it na, pero how to be more effective siguro.
Vice, na ang DILG, naaba silang topic na dapat ang SKR non-partisan, political.
I do not know sa DILG, but I think they were already taught that even before. Non-partisan political.
So this is only policy making?
Policy making. Kasi yun ang core ng trabaho nila.
Sir, di ba last year nag-conduct din to ng parang training sa mga SK?
Drugs.
With the drugs board yun, selected, no? Kasi it was the program of the drugs board. We just partnered with them. So we helped them gather the SK. So I think wala silang project na yun. Parang natapos na yung program nila. Pero that one, when they introduced it to us, we took advantage immediately. Maganda ito eh. Drugs is everywhere.
Why we prioritize youth leaders, sir, sa mga trainings?
Of course, kasi sila ang head ng kanilang office. So it's really up to them to disseminate and to teach all their members what they have learned here. Kasi if we invite all of them, it will not be feasible na. So we just get the leaders, and the leaders actually know what to do after this. They have to disseminate whatever they have learned to their members.
Okay.
Thank you so much.